What are these bumps on my tongue? Hi everyone, my name is Whitney and I'm a dental hygienist here to talk about tongue bumps. So most of the time, bumps on your tongue are 100% normal because everyone's tongue is covered in thousands of tiny little things we call papilla, or papillae for the plural version. These papillae actually house a lot of the taste buds in your mouth, and they can even help secrete some saliva, although nowhere near the amount your major salivary glands secrete. But either way, just know that these papilla bumps are normal. And if you're interested, there are 3 types. Fungiform, which are small and scattered at various points across your tongue. Fungiform are surrounded by filiform, which are the smallest tongue bumps. And the circumvallae. These are the larger ones on the back of your tongue, but still located in front of your lingual tonsils, which technically are also bumps on your tongue if you can even see that far back. But the more easily visible are the circumvallae papillae. Circumvallae papillae. That was always like the most fun vocabulary term in dental hygiene school. Papillae. Anyway, the circumvallae are the ones that my patients often ask me if something is wrong in the back of their tongue, because if you happen to stick your tongue out really long and you've never seen them before, you might be like, what? Because you've never noticed them before. And they just look larger and weirder than the rest of your papillae on your front part of your tongue. But they are all normal, they are all lined up side by side along the back of the tongue, and the circumvallae themselves house hundreds of taste buds. So yeah, it's good to have different types and sizes of tongue bumps. However, these different tongue bumps, these different papillae, can sometimes get inflamed or infected, causing them to stand out from the rest and sometimes leading to soreness or even irritation when you're trying to swallow or clean your tongue. Most of these inflamed papillae situations are temporary and they heal within a week or so. If you accidentally poke your tongue with a tortilla chip or bite down on it when you're chewing, those are the types of things that usually cause inflamed papillae. But if you do have a sore bump on your tongue that lasts longer than 14 days and it's only on one side of your tongue, then it's probably time to visit your dentist for an exam to find out why it's not healing. It's good to know that most irregular bumps are not concerning at all if you have the same thing on both sides of your tongue. Same thing on both sides. When both sides match, it's usually all good. However, if you have something that looks weird and it's only on one side and it's not going away, it's more likely that maybe it's not supposed to be there. But truly, don't freak out. You probably just bit your tongue and you don't remember biting it. Either way, before I finish up, let's go over some examples of things that aren't supposed to be on your tongue. Starting with canker sores. I have a whole video about canker sores. If you think you have a canker sore and you'd like to learn more, I'll link it in the description box. Same thing with oral thrush. This can also cause irregular and abnormal looking bumps on your tongue. Another thing is acidic food and drink sensitivities. Some people are more sensitive to acidic stuff that often causes an area on your tongue to flare up. Same thing with smoking and stress. Lots of things can cause your papillae to flare up. Allergies are another big one. If you have known food allergies, always be on the lookout. Your tongue is highly likely to swell if you eat something that you're allergic to. It might also tingle or feel itchy. And lastly, in really extreme cases, STDs and STIs or oral cancer can be to blame for abnormal, irregular looking bumps on your tongue. So when you're visiting your dentist every 6 months for your exams and cleanings, they should be doing routine oral cancer screenings. And if you're not sure if they are, just ask. I will link all of my videos relating to tongue bumps in the description box if you'd like to investigate more about what an irregular bump on your tongue might be. But really, in all, just know that bumps on your tongue are normal. If you do have some bumps that truly seem irregular to you, especially if they came out of nowhere and it's been there for over 14 days, visit your dentist for an exam, largely in part to give yourself a peace of mind, or if it's something that is going on, they can diagnose and prescribe you a regimen to get rid of the irregularity. I hope this video helped you. Please like and subscribe and turn on your notifications if it did, and also let me know in the comments below if you've ever bit your tongue or had a bad canker sore or any other tongue story. Feel free to share it below. I love hearing all of your toothy stories. And until next time, you can also hang out with me on Instagram at Teeth Talk Girl. Peace, love, and teeth and tongues.